Solving systems of equations study guide, problem number 3. So we're going to solve this problem using the substitution method. Now, in order to use the substitution method, we have to solve for one of the variables in one of the equations. That means you have 4 options. You could solve the top equation for x or the top equation for y. You could solve the bottom equation for x or the bottom equation for y. I always go with what I think is going to be the easiest, and I think that top equation looks really easy to solve for y. I'm actually going to do it in my head. I think I can subtract 2x in my head, so y is negative 2x plus 15. Boom, solved for y. So then I'm going to take that, this thing in the black circle is y. That whole thing is y. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to replace it in the second equation for y. So I'm going to rewrite the second equation, 5x equals 4 times y, which is negative 2x plus 15, minus 3. So I still have an equation that says 5x equals 4 times y minus 3. Now I can solve this equation for x. So first step is to distribute. So 5x equals negative 8x. Plus, I'm going to go a little fast here, 60 minus 3. Combine like terms, so I'm going to do 2 steps at once here. I'm going to add 8x. So I get 13x equals 57. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 13. X equals... and you know, I'm going to be okay with rounding to the nearest hundredth here. So x equals 4 and 38/100ths rounded. Okay? So I'm close to done. I have x. I want to plug that in there to find out what y equals. So I'm just going to do that on my calculator, to be honest, and I'm okay with that. Negative 2 times 4.38 plus 15. And I get y equals 6.24, 6 and 24/100ths. So where these two lines intersect on a graph would be this coordinate. Okay, approximately 4 and 38/100ths and approximately 6 and 24/100ths. And there's your answer.